Hello everyone, my name is Fabian Gera from smartPM.solutions, where we specialize in modern controlling technology. And if you are interested in a powerful and integrated planning, then you have come to the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your forecasting and budgeting processes within smartPM module for IBM Planning Analytics. So let's start right away with our landing page, which we created in Power BI. Provides us with an overview of all smartPM modules. These tiles contain content for use cases such as a project controlling tool, sales and operations, sustainability controlling, and of course integrated financial planning. This means that the software can be continuously expanded as your requirements change. And the first thing that a planner opens are in most cases the tasks of the week. And with IBM, you have great opportunities to organize your planning processes and teams effectively. Tasks can be created for all planning stages and distributed to those responsible for the task. They are then automatically also notified by the system and can start the planning process right away. We also have this kind of also data flows. And if we now gonna change to one task, for example, with this cost center planning, which already filters the correct cost center for which you are responsible, and then you can get started and enter plan values. You could start your budget with allocating historic values with these pre-fill buttons that allocates older versions to your budget. You could increase or decrease values directly in the cell by clicking on these buttons right here. You could change the overall aggregated value on the right hand side, which will also allocate to lower levels automatically, or change on the lowest level on a monthly basis. You would then finally also comment your cost types and your budget version, and then submit it. The work here is now complete. We could now concentrate on different subtasks and different subplans. We could proceed now with personal planning, HR planning, for example, or CapEx. All of the data is processed right away and will be aggregated in an P&L. And the P&L could look like this, for example, and also show a balance sheet and a cash flow on the same screen. And at this point, I would also like to mention that all of these reports are very flexible and can easily be adapted also to your structures. And there's also a great IBM Excel add-in that allows you to create such reports that you see here on this screen on your own, by yourself, in your department. There are many other great features, such as the Watson with a large language model in the background. And there is also a forecast assistant with which you will be able to create automatically generated forecasts. I just select one row here with historic data, and then the planner will be able to create a forecast in within 1 or 2 clicks. And this data could be also generated automatically and will provide also great assistance for each planning process. I can't go into all the subplans, but I want to finish this demonstration with this value driver tree because it's a great tool to see what happens if you adjust maybe one parameter in your system. You will see how also our results change if the assumptions in one scenario are changing. For example, if you maybe lower the quantity sold in 1 or 2 months, you will directly see the consequences of that and see also the changes of your KPIs. Or I can simply click on the edit button, select one of these widgets here, and also change this visualization by myself with one click. Therefore, you don't need any scripting skills. This can be done very easily and very fast, as you can see. In summary, IBM Planning Analytics is a good choice as a planning system if you are looking for flexibility and self-service, and if you need to work with a complex and above all with a large data model. In this respect, this software is clearly an excellent choice. I hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. The link is displayed below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.